The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation, high-precision attack launched by Russian aerospace forces at the positions of the units of foreign mercenaries from the Foreign Legion deployed near Nikolayevka in Donetsk People's Republic has resulted in the elimination of up to 80 militants. Fire attack launched at a provisional base of the 2nd Battalion from the 92nd Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, deployed near Kupiansk in Kharkov region, has resulted in the elimination of over 70 Ukrainian servicemen and 14 units of military equipment. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 6 Ukrainian command posts, including the command posts of the 53rd Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Yelizavetovka in Donetsk People's Republic and the 14th Mechanized Brigade deployed near Dvurechная in Kharkov region, as well as 87 artillery units, 198 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 1 rocket battery of US-manufactured HIMARS multiple launch rocket systems has been neutralized near Pavlograd in Dnepropetrovsk region within the counter-battery warfare. 1 artillery battery of US-manufactured M777 howitzers has been neutralized near Gulaipole in Zaporozhye region. 1 platoon of Gyatsint large-caliber guns has been destroyed near Yevgenovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 9 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Kolomiytsevo in Dnepropetrovsk region, Kotlerovo, Bereznigovatoye and Shevchenkovo in Nikolaev region, Lezhino in Zaporozhye region, as well as near Kramatorsk and Malinovka in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 radar of Ukrainian S-300 air defense missile system has been destroyed near Vladimirovka in Nikolaev region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian aerospace forces have shot down 1 MiG-29 of the Ukrainian Air Force near Kurakhovo in Donetsk People's Republic and 1 Ukrainian Su-24 near Kaluga in Nikolaev region. Air defense facilities have neutralized 8 unmanned aerial vehicles near Alexandrovka in Nikolaev region, Bruskinskoye, Raiskoye, Sadok in Kherson region, Yasenovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Pavlovka and Petrovskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 17 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS multiple launch rocket systems and 1 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missile have been destroyed in the air near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region and Kherson. In total, 307 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,107 unmanned aerial vehicles, 377 air defense missile systems, 5,147 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 855 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,439 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,973 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.